Answer to Job by C.G. Jung. Read by John Telfer for Ukemi Audiobooks. Note on the text. Like Freud, Jung drew on his classical education when inventing his own technical terms, and some of the ones used in Answer to Job may be unfamiliar to modern readers. Briefly, then, enantiodromia is a running back and forth between opposite poles of feeling, the sort of thing that in affairs of the heart is apt to be called the rebound. Like Freud, Jung sees our passions and drives as coming in paired opposites, such as tenderness and violence, that tend to spill over into each other. Pleroma is a Gnostic term meaning fullness, often used of a complete pantheon, the full set of spirit beings that populates a particular version of heaven. Moira is fate, pneuma is spirit, and numen is any spirit or presence that attracts religious awe. The hieros gamos is a sacred marriage of spirit beings which may be enacted by humans in the temple, and is a notable theme in Bronze Age religion. The conjunctio oppositorum is what in colloquial English is signified by the phrase extremes meet. The quinta essentia, or quintessence, is a fifth heavenly element in addition to the four earthly elements of earth, water, air, and fire. Don Cupid, February 2002. Prefatory note by C.G. Jung. The suggestion that I should tell you how Answer to Job came to be written sets me a difficult task because the history of this book can hardly be told in a few words. I have been occupied with its central problem for years. Many different sources nourished the stream of its thought until one day, and after long reflection, the time was ripe to put them into words. The most immediate cause of my writing the book is perhaps to be found in certain problems discussed in my book Ion, especially the problems of Christ as a symbolic figure and of the antagonism Christ-Antichrist represented in the traditional zodiacal symbolism of the two fishes. In connection with the discussion of these problems and of the doctrine of redemption, I criticized the idea of the privatio boni as not agreeing with the psychological findings. Psychological experience shows that whatever we call good is balanced by an equally...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?